What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mooney Auto Review. So last night we had a snowstorm and it came down pretty heavy, you know what I mean? So this is how it looks from my neighborhood. Okay, my community, that's how it looks. Still snoring. Okay, the streets are pretty much empty. This is our Chevy right here. So we're gonna try and start it up, like a cold startup. And actually, we're heading out to the spot there in Massachusetts. We're gonna see if we could shoot a video. So let's jump into that. Like 3 to 4 inches of snow on the Chevy right now. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start her up so that we can be on our way. Okay, guys, cold startup. She started right up. My girl never did. So just got through cleaning it up. Okay, hold on. Let me check. Checking for my gloves, guys, because it's gonna be super cold. Got my gloves on, and we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta keep bringing you guys, quality videos. So that's what we have to do. So let's jump into the video, guys. See you guys at the lot. So this is how it looks right now, guys. So I'm actually in the Providence area in Rhode Island, and I'm headed to Massachusetts. So it's snowing at the moment. Okay, if you can see, this is these are all neighborhoods in the Providence area, and it's pretty much snowing right now. So we're gonna be bringing you how the snowstorm, okay, from last night, how it affected communities out here in Rhode Island. So let's hit the highway and we're gonna come back to you again. Yeah, the highway looks pretty much neglected at the moment. Not everybody's outside. Most people stay home and observing the snow and stuff like that. But it is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do. So we're out here and we're headed out. So let's continue moving. That is Providence Mall. It's called Providence Place. So they all look right now at the moment. It's been a while since Rhode Island. Since the beginning of winter, we can probably count the amount of times snowfall here in Rhode Island. So I wouldn't want to say it's strange, okay, because people who live in Rhode Island, are accustomed to it snowing during winter. But then for this season, it's been a while since we really experienced a winter like this. So for this season, it's kind of strange. For this season, it's like a surprise. For this season, everybody's like, okay, we finally having a snow. For the snow lovers, for those who love the winter season, they are loving it. Some of them out in their cars, some of them cuddling, under their comforters and whatever they use. Some of them hugging their pillows and their teddy bears and stuff. But basically, this is how it looks on the highway. We're actually headed towards Pawtucket. So let's move on.